In this video, you'll explore color settings. You'll most likely have already made any necessary color changes before you reach printing time, but Professional Print and Layout permits you to make last-minute changes so you don't have to return to your editing software. The Separate Color Settings tab lets you control brightness, contrast, and color balance. To make curve changes, drag the point on the chart. If you'd like to export curve settings for use in later projects, click Save Curves to save settings to a folder location. You can also import saved curves by clicking the Load Curves button. Remember to click Default to reset your changes when you're finished, because once set, they apply to all images you subsequently process.